My girlfriend did one thing that quietly changed my entire family. Growing up, Christmas was never really a celebration in our house. Hindi kami yung kind ng family that stayed up for midnight, counted down together, or filled the house with noise and laughter. Most years, my mom would cook spaghetti and dalawang ulam. We'd eat around 8 p.m. and by midnight, lahat tulog na. Christmas Eve felt like any other night lang. I didn't think much of it growing up. It was just how things were. Nung LDR pa kami ng girlfriend ko, she found it strange that I would stay up until midnight just to greet her, while the rest of my family ay tulog na. Tinanong niya ako bakit ako na lang yung gising. When I explained, she paused and then said something I didn't realize would mean so much to me one day. Kapag nag-live-in na tayo, I'll give you a new Christmas tradition. She kept that promise.
Check the next video para sa part 2. Kung may na-feel ka sa story na ito, like, comment your thoughts, and follow for more Kwento Before You Sleep.